In this video, I'll be taking you through the process of crocheting this cute strappy crop top using cotton yarn and a 3mm crochet hook. Hello and welcome to the second episode of Kraft with Ria. In this video we'll be making a crochet top that has a bare back that is ideal for a casual look or when we're even going to the beach. I borrowed the idea from a video done by Lala Perez on YouTube, and I added a little bit of a twist in how I attached the straps in the end. I have added some descriptions to the video to guide anyone that would like to create a similar top, and I will see you at the end where we will review the top and see how it looks. Until then, enjoy! this is the final product, and I am very impressed. Just so you know, this is my first ever crochet project to ever do to completion, and I'm really impressed with how it has turned out. I love everything about this top. I would really wear it daily if I could. And about the materials, I used roughly 3 balls of yarn, as I divided one chunky yarn that I had bought years ago when I decided to start crochet but never used it. So I divided that one chunky yarn into 3 parts so that I would make this top. So we can say I've used 3 balls of yarn to make the top, and I would wear this top on a hot day when going for something like a picnic, and I would pair it with a jacket on a cold day when or when I just don't really want people to stare at me, because as you've seen, the top is really shouting. It attracts a lot of attention, so I would wear a jacket to avoid the unnecessary attention and take it off when I'm comfortable or when I'm in an enclosed place. And that's it for today's video. I'm so glad you could tune in until the end. If you enjoyed the contents, consider subscribing or leaving a thumbs up. And until next time, peace and love. And remember, true happiness is when you are your biggest